Toastmaster. I'm here to evaluate someone's speech. We did about 15 seconds before this meeting started to determine what I wanted out of it, so there's very little risk of this introduction being verbose. This is Pramel's second speech overall. He's given an icebreaker. And I think generally what Prem is looking for is the speech flow. We are in the flow with him, we get it, we enjoy it, and then we lose ourselves in the moment. So it's my pleasure to introduce Prem with a speech entitled A Monk Among Monkeys. A speech entitled A Monk Among Monkeys. Prem.
Have you ever been in a situation where you're trying to help someone, trying to leave a positive impact on their lives, but for whatever reason, they just won't have it? They just don't agree with you, or you're just talking across channels? Have you ever tried to get someone to quit a bad habit, or donate a bit of money to charity? It often can be really difficult to persuade someone to do something, even if it has a positive impact for them or for other people. By the end of this speech, I hope to share my tips and tricks and things that I've learned. Give a few examples related to try and answer this question of what should you do in a situation when you want to try and persuade someone. I was talking to my cousin the other day, and he was expressing his anger towards his friends. My cousin's kind of like a monk. When he's not studying computer science, he's often thinking about his greater impact. He's trying to release free software to help improve people's lives. He's thinking about his long-term career options. He often donates money to charities. He's a really good guy. But his friends, his monkeys, as I call them, they don't really have it. And whenever my cousin tries to talk about these sorts of things to them, tries to get them on board with projects or ideas, they often just reject it outright. You know, they're too busy watching Netflix or playing games. And this annoys him. It really, really annoys him. And he came to me kind of confused to some extent. He said, why is it when I try to have a positive impact on people, they come back with me with negativity? So I tried reframing the idea. I said, let's say you climb to the top of a big mountain. The sensible thing to do would be to throw down a rope so that if anyone's walking by and they want to climb that same mountain, they could use your rope as guidance, as sort of support to help them get to your level. But you see, to my cousin, when you try and push your friends into these ideas and conversations, you're not letting down a rope. What you're doing is more like throwing down a harpoon at someone and dragging them up the mountain in order to get them to change or to persuade them. And of course, we all know harpoons aren't very effective. Well, they're effective, but ethical, there's a few issues. So what I'm trying to get at is you shouldn't try and pressure anyone to change or to join, say, a project or an idea. Instead, what you should do is try to think in their shoes. Try and take their perspective. Be empathetic with them when you're trying to persuade someone. Make it so that they will gain something as well as you. So back to the question, what could you do differently to persuade other people to get on board with these sorts of things? Well, currently I tutor high school kids and tutor A-level students. And often I find that parents, they're very controlling in some sense. They're kind of like the harpoon sort of metaphor. They often want the best for their kids, but they just do it in a very controlling way by pushing lessons on them. And often in pushing kids, they lose, or what they may gain in tuition hours, in experience, in answering questions, they lose in their children's autonomy or motivation for the subject. So, as a practical word of advice for parents out there, if you do have a kid and you want them to do well in school, don't try shoving down tuition lessons down their throats. Instead, try to work with them. Understand their goals and their aspirations for life, and try to link those aspirations with what they're learning in school. And lastly, I'd like to just end with, as a call to action, as you do go about your daily lives, try to be empathetic with others and to see things from the other person's point of view. Come on, monkeys.
Once again, can you put 1 minute on the clock, Mr. Timekeeper?
Yeah.
And if you'd write your suggestions